Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PEIX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways just to establish some context here. But very nice bounce on this one. I mean, you stop and think about the fact that just on Wednesday, the price was all the way down there, and now all of a sudden it's bounced its way up to that area. Very valid. You know, it's pretty rash. Any rational person would say, well, yeah, that's been a nice bounce. But that does lead to the question of, yeah, but I mean, is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea. But by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area is down here at $3.50. And this is important because I'm not saying this is what's going to actually happen, but for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down to $3.50 and then go to the downside, what would you have at that point? Well, from a very literal point of view, you would literally have the price, well, right back to where it was, right back to where it started. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. But to be fair, I mean, no price can go straight up. So maybe the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, at least at this situation, you'd have a set of lows there. You'd have lows right there if you envision those as stair-steps. Well, there you go. Now you have stair-steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote-unquote progress being defined as $3.50. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, public enemy number one headed into Friday going to be right there at $3.85. So keep a close eye on $3.85, and if the price can push up through there, then yeah, it's rational to think you could get some more momentum from that point. But all in all, nice bounce today, nice movement. Not just a question of can the price build upon this momentum moving into Friday. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.